guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this look for this holiday season. You can call this look as a wedding guest makeup look or the New Year's makeup look or the Christmas just went, but you can call this look any occasional look that you like. And yeah, if you are interested to know how I got to this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've already prepped and moisturized my skin. I am ready for makeup. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I do have this idea around that I want to play around with some green on the eyes. So today I'm going to be using this palette by Freedom Professional Makeup, and I am planning on using this row of this green row right here, and it's gonna play with the green, and let's see what we come up with. So today I'm gonna start with the eyes because I'm gonna play with the a green tone, so if there is fallout, so I can really wipe it off. Okay, so I'm gonna start with filling in my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using the Nykaa Brow on Point Microfine Eyebrow Pencil. And then I want to set them in place using the Benefit Ready Set Brow Eyebrow Setting Gel. And then I'm going to be taking this concealer by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. And I'm going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to carve out the brows. And then I'm going to take this eyeshadow primer by Essence, which is the I Love Stage eyeshadow base. And I'm just going to prime my eyelids with it for the eyeshadow. So even though you don't necessarily have to set the eyeshadow base, I'm still going to do it. And for that, I'm going to be taking this Revelation Pro, the NARS palette, and I'm going to take the shade Sand, which is right here, and I'm just going to take a bit of that and just set the base. Okay, so now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Revelation Pro NARS palette as well as this Freedom Pro, this is called as Extreme Vice palette. I'm going to just mix both of this palette and get the shade. So first I'm going to start off with the shade Radiant, which is right here, and I'm going to just put it in my crease. And then I'm going to take the shade Blend, which is right here, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner. And now I'm going to move on to the Freedom eyeshadow palette. To deepen up the corners, I'm going to be taking this dark chocolate shade right here and put that into the outer corner. Okay, so now I am going to be taking this green shade right here, which is more like a turquoise green shade. This is how it looks like. And I'm going to put that onto my lid. I mean, this color looks different on different lighting, which is amazing. So I'm doing the same shade on a flat brush like so. Okay, so now I'm taking even more smaller brush, and I'm taking a little bit of the black and that same brown shade and put it just in the outer corner, and quickly I'm gonna blend all of this. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep the eyes as it is as of now. I'm gonna do the base and then move back with the eyes. Okay, so I didn't really get much fallout, to be very honest, but I'm just gonna still wipe off underneath my eyes because I see a little bit of the shimmer but not very much. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly put some eye cream because I just wiped it off. So I'm using the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Anti-Ox Grapeseed Masking Eye Gel, which is a long name but it's a really good eye cream. Okay, so now for primer, I'm going to be applying the PAC Pore Primer just on the T-zone area. So before doing foundation, I'm going to be adding a little bit of the strobing cream by PAC again. This is the PAC strobing cream liquid, and this one is in the shade Crack of Dawn. I'm going to be taking half a squirt of this. Oops, it doesn't squirt half. Okay. And now I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face using a fan brush. Honestly, this product is such a good product. Like literally, I have reviewed this a long time ago. I just love this one, but the only problem is it doesn't do half squirt, and that's what makes it like really hard to use, because I either have to open the bottle up and then take it, or the product will go waste with one entire squirt. Okay, so since I do have a lot of the product left, I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. And then I'm going to use my sponge to just soften everything up. And now I'm going to be taking the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Dusky Fawn, which is in number 13, I believe. And I'm going to use it to color correct under my eyes. And now for foundation, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild foundation, Photo Focus foundation in the shade Toffee Pecan, which is very close to my skin tone shade. One shade darker, I would say. And then I'm going to quickly blend it in using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm going to just blend it all in using the sponge now. And now I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again in the shade 25. I'm going to put it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to set my concealer using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Okay, so now I'm just going to finish off the eyes and then move on with the rest of the face. This video might seem it is going all over the place, like eyes, base, eyes, again base. But in real life, this is actually how we do as a makeup artist. So, okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Blend from the NARS palette. So now I'm basically just deepening up all the shade that we have used previously. And now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the shade Blend and apply it onto my lower lash line. And now to smoke out the lower lash line even further, I'm going to be taking a black kajal and put it onto my lower lash line. And I'm also applying the same onto my upper waterline, just to tightline the upper waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same green color with an angled brush and apply it onto my lower lash line, but onto the inner corners. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. So for my mascara, I'm taking the Bad Girl Bang Mascara by Benefit. Okay, so now I'm going to leave the eyes as it is. I'm going to finish off the face and then I'm going to see if I need more smokiness to the lower lash line. I think I can go a bit more smoky, but I don't know if I want to do it just yet. And obviously I'm going to apply some false lashes. You can go absolutely without the false lashes with this look, but I'm gonna pair this look with a false lash only because on camera you don't really see the natural eyelashes as you do it in person. So that's what I'm gonna do. And now let's get back to the face. Just finish off the face once and for all. Now to contour, to give warmth to my face, I'm going to be using this Kiko Milano Smart Essential Face Palette in the shade number 2, which looks like this, and I'm going to take this middle shade right here and just contour my face with it. And now for the blush, I'm actually going to mix these two shades right here, this one and this one basically, and apply it on my cheeks. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to spray my face with some rose water to calm down all the powderiness, and then I'm going to apply some highlighter. And now for the highlighter, I'm actually going to use the highlighter that is there in the palette and apply it on the highest points of my face. So for the lips, I'm going to first line my lips using the Lakme 95 lip liner in the shade Brick Rose. Okay, so this lip liner looks really good with this eye look, but I just want to keep it more neutral. So I'm adding the Rumor shade from K by Katrina. Okay, so we're almost done, I promise. So I'm going to just add on some lashes and I'll be right back to finish this look. Okay, so I applied the lashes. I applied the PAC Mink lashes in M71, and this is how it looks. These are really dramatic lashes. I did not expect that. So I think I need to just smoke out the upper as well as lower lash. So I'm going to do that. And lastly, I'm going to spray my face with some Faces Canada Ultim Pro Makeup Fixer to set everything in place so that it doesn't move throughout the day. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.